Every generation faces change, but today, the world is changing faster than ever. Jobs are not disappearing, they are transforming. The way people work, the tools they use, the skills they need, everything is shifting. Imagine walking into a room where the rules have changed overnight. Nothing is lost, yet everything feels different. Some may panic, others will rise. The real question isn't whether you can keep up, it's whether you're ready to reshape yourself with the times. Because in this era, the most valuable skill isn't a degree or a certificate. It's the ability to learn, unlearn, and relearn. Jobs haven't vanished, they've changed shape. Calculations moved from paper to calculators. Stores moved online. AI is reshaping every industry. What stayed the same? The need to work, create, and contribute. Standing still isn't an option anymore. Those who resist change will slowly fall behind. Those who embrace learning, growth, and reskilling will move forward. Identify one skill you use today. Ask, how will this skill evolve in the next 3 years? What can I learn to stay ahead? No one can grow alone in this fast-changing world. Success today is a team effort. 3 forces can help shape a young career. Education and universities teach not just theory, but practical skills. Companies provide early training, mentorship, and real-world experience. Government offer access to technology, tools, and learning platforms. When these 3 forces work together, young people are not just surviving, they are thriving. Generation Z often hears, find yourself. But finding is passive. The wiser path is building yourself. Dig inside and create the skills you want. Build the habits, the mindset, and the knowledge. Don't wait for opportunities to appear, craft them. At this age, 20s or early 30s, energy is abundant, responsibilities are manageable, and time is your greatest ally. Hard work now compounds into lifelong advantage. Pick one new skill this month. Focus on it daily. Learn it. Practice it. Make it part of who you are. Many see Gen Z as glued to phones or distracted, but this is only part of the story. They are self-aware and self-caring, honest and authentic in expression, willing to help others. They absorb knowledge fast, access experts instantly, and adapt quickly. The challenge is not laziness, it's how to guide this energy. Companies that explain the purpose behind tasks, provide mentorship, and offer feedback will see incredible results. Technology brings opportunity but also distraction. AI, apps, and screens can make reality feel distant. Balance work with relationships. Seek guidance when needed. Avoid comparing yourself to machines, adapt instead. Remember, the goal isn't to compete with AI, it's to keep up with the pace of change, resist stagnation, and reshape your skills continuously. Schedule daily focus time without phones for learning, thinking, or reflection. Even 30 minutes a day makes a difference. The lesson is clear. The future belongs to those who reskill, adapt, and take control of their growth. Stand still and you fall behind. Build yourself. Don't just find yourself. Use your 20s or early 30s to work hard, learn deeply, and explore boldly. Leverage mentorship, feedback, and opportunities from companies and education.